Students, standard 5th, English medium, subject computer. So children, we have finished lesson number 1, 2 and 3. So children, your syllabus of first semester exam of computer will be lesson number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. आपका फर्स्ट सेमिस्टर कंप्यूटर एग्ज़ाम का सिलेबस रहेगा लेसन नंबर 1 फंक्शंस एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर, लेसन नंबर 2 द सीपीयू एंड लेसन नंबर 3 स्टोरेज। ये तीनों लेसन की आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है। दैट विल बी योर सिलेबस ऑफ फर्स्ट सेमिस्टर एग्ज़ाम ऑफ कंप्यूटर। ओके, नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू रिविजन ऑफ दिस लेसन्स. So first is lesson number 1 functions and parts of the computer. So here what we learned regarding computer, then functions of computer, that is input, processing and output, right children? Then after we learned input, program, processing and output. Okay, all definitions that you have to remember. Then after we learn parts of the computer, in that we learn input device, processing unit and output device. Now in input devices we learn regarding keyboard and mouse. Okay. Then after what we learn output devices. Which output devices? Monitor and printer. Then we also learn types of printers. First dot matrix, second inkjet and third is laser printer. And then after we learn processing unit, that is CPU. Okay, so processing unit and memory unit. Okay children, so this is our lesson number 1, right? Then after you have to refer the exercise of lesson number 1. Okay. Then after lesson number 2 is the CPU. In that what we learned regarding CPU. What is CPU? Then the function of CPU. Then we learned definition of circuit, chip, motherboard. Right children? Then after what we learned, components of CPU. Which are the components of CPU? Control unit, CU, arithmetic and logic unit, that is ALU, and third is memory. So we learned all these components of CPU in detail. Okay. Then lesson number 3 is storage. So children, we learned regarding storage unit. There are two kinds of storage areas in computer, primary memory and secondary memory. Okay, in primary memory we learn RAM, ROM. What is RAM? Random access memory, and ROM, that is read-only memory. Okay, we also learn difference between RAM, ROM, right children? Then after what we learn regarding secondary memory. So secondary memory, hard disk, CD, DVD and USB flash drive. Right children? So this is our lesson number 3, storage. Okay, and this is the exercise of lesson number 3, 2 and 3. Right children? So here you have to prepare 3 lessons for your first semester exam. Right children, you have to read all topics. Okay, I have sent you all notes. Okay, so you have to read all these notes. You have to read all definitions. You have to do preparation for all these things. Fill in the blanks, true or false, full forms. Right children? So do preparation very well, right, for lesson number 1, 2 and 3. Right children? Thank you.